Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing two mixed media artist trading cards. I decided to play with the Arteza acrylic paints to create the background. It's not the first time that I'm playing with these paints, and I am very happy with the result. They are of course not as high quality as if you have golden acrylics, but they are comparable to the normal student acrylic paints I see a lot in other craft videos and I also have at home. So I think if you're a beginner or if you want to have a bigger collection of acrylic paints, they are a super good value. The paints are not very liquidy and they are drying very fast, so I am not sure how about printing with the jelly plate. Maybe they dry too fast, but I think I will try this in the future, of course. I'm using a stencil from STAMPlorations to create a little bit of a pattern onto the background. I repeat the process to get a better coverage. I use paint markers to add some mark making. I grab a yellow design paper and add a strip to every card. I add some yellow dots with a uniPOSCA marker. I decided to paint a black border. I do this with a black uniPOSCA marker. And I already picked my main images. These are the Rubber Dance Purr-fect cats, and I have already stamped them onto watercolor paper and colored them in with the Arteza real brush pens. Finally, I glue the cats down and pick 2 sentiments for the cards from a Tim Holtz sticker sheet. By the way, you will find a free shipping code to the Rubber Dance online store in the description box below. Here are the finished cards. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumb up. See you soon. Bye!